Hey there, speedsters and car lovers! Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate spot for all things automotive. Today, we're veering off our usual high-speed track to explore something a little different. And trust me, it's going to be an eye-opener. Instead of our regular lineup of blisteringly fast cars, we're delving into a curious corner of the car world. Cars that look like they should be lightning fast, but are, surprisingly, more of a slow burn. Yes, you heard it right. While these cars might sport sleek lines and muscular builds that scream speed, they don't quite match up when you hit the pedal. So, fasten your seatbelts, adjust your mirrors, and get ready to uncover the top 5 cars that aren't in as much of a hurry as they look. Let's dive into this intriguing twist and uncover why not all that glitters with speed is gold. Why are some cars slow? Before we zoom into our list, let's chat about why some cars aren't as fast as others. You might think all cars are built for speed, but there's a lot more going on under the hood. Some cars are slow because they have smaller engines that don't produce a lot of power. Others are built more for comfort and economy rather than speed, saving you money on gas and giving you a smoother ride. And sometimes, a car might look super sporty, but is designed to be more affordable and practical for everyday use. So, not all cars are about zooming. Some are about cruising. Number 1, the 2012 Dodge Nitro. First up is the 2012 Dodge Nitro really grabs your attention with a name that promises explosive performance and speed. You might picture it tearing down the highway, leaving other cars in a blur. But let's get into what this car is really about. Other than that, its bold, muscular appearance that could make you think it's ready to race at the drop of a hat, the Nitro behaves quite differently. It's akin to a gentle giant, robust and sturdy, but with engines that lack a bit of pep. These engines take their time to build up speed, which means you won't be zooming off the starting line anytime soon. The Nitro excels in areas other than speed. It offers a spacious and comfortable interior that's perfect for family outings. The Nitro comes in cool colors like Inferno Red and Electric Blue, which add to its sporty, adventurous look. These vibrant shades might lead you to believe it's a racer, but in reality, the Nitro is more focused on providing a safe and steady drive. It's a vehicle that prioritizes the well-being and comfort of its passengers over the thrill of high speeds, making it a trustworthy choice for those who value security and stability on the road. Number 2, the Chevrolet Spark. Next, let's talk about the tiny Chevrolet Spark. It's a small car with a cheerful, compact design that makes it perfect for zipping around town. However, the Spark's small engine focuses on saving fuel rather than speeding down the road. It's fantastic for city driving and easy parking, but pushing it on a highway sprint might feel like you're trying to race on a riding lawnmower. Chevrolet designed the Spark to be economical and colorful, available in shades like salsa red and denim blue, making it a cute, not quick option for everyday errands. Number 3, the Smart Fortwo. Here comes the Smart Fortwo, a super cool little car that's perfectly suited for the hustle and bustle of big city life. Imagine trying to fit a regular-sized car into a tiny parking spot on a crowded street. That can be really tricky, right? Well, the Smart Fortwo makes that super easy. It's so tiny that it can fit into the smallest of spaces, which is a huge plus when you're trying to park in tight spots between lots of other cars. It's also a breeze to drive around those narrow city lanes where bigger cars might bump into things. Now, if you're thinking this car must be really fast because it's so small, it's actually more about taking things easy. The Smart Fortwo is perfect for people living in cities who need a car that's easy to manage and doesn't need to go super fast. You can cruise around blocks, zip into the grocery store parking lot, and make your way through downtown without any hassle. Plus, it comes in some really fun colors like Crystal White, which is shiny and clean, and Lava Orange, which is bright and vibrant, adding a bit of flair and fun to your drive. For anyone who puts practicality and ease over the need for speed, the Smart Fortwo is a fantastic choice. Number 4, the Fiat 500. Let's talk about car number 4, the cute Fiat 500. This car is like a famous movie star from old movies because it has a classic and stylish look that makes people notice it. It's got a really cool, old-school vibe that stands out, especially in fun colors like mint green and coral, which make it good. But here's something important to know. The Fiat 500 might look adorable, but it's not built for super fast driving. Instead of a big, powerful engine like a race car, it has a smaller engine. This smaller engine is good because it helps save gas, making it cheaper to drive around, and it's also easier to handle, especially in tight spaces like city streets or crowded parking lots. So while the Fiat 500 isn't the kind of car you would use for a fast race, it's perfect for cruising around town in style. It's great for someone who wants to drive a car that has lots of personality and looks cool, but doesn't care about speeding super fast. Think of it like a stylish bicycle with awesome colors and designs. It's not the fastest, but it sure looks great. Number 5, the Mitsubishi Mirage. Finally, next up, we're talking about the Mitsubishi Mirage. This car is super good at saving fuel, which means it doesn't use up a lot of gas. That's really great for anyone who wants to save money on fuel costs, kind of like when you find ways to make your allowance last longer. However, when it comes to speed, the Mirage is more about taking it easy. It's not super fast, and sometimes it might even feel like it's not moving very quickly at all. Kind of like how a real Mirage in the desert seems to move slowly or not at all, if you've ever seen one in movies or cartoons. The Mirage is made to be an affordable car. It's priced low, so more people can buy it without spending a lot of money. The focus is on being economical and efficient, rather than zooming fast like a race car. It also comes in really fun colors like wine red and sapphire blue, which makes it stand out and look cool. So while the Mitsubishi Mirage might not win any races with its speed, it's a champion when it comes to saving money on gas and being a practical choice for everyday driving. It's perfect for someone who needs a car that's easy on the wallet and still looks stylish in bright, playful colors. And there we wrap up our tour of 5 cars that won't be setting any speed records anytime soon. While these vehicles aren't the ones you'd pick for a drag race, they each bring something special to the table. Every car we talked about today shows us that speed isn't everything. In fact, each one is uniquely wonderful in its own way. They remind us that cars can be about more than just how fast they can go. It's about how they fit into our lives and meet our needs. Whether it's offering more comfort, better fuel economy, or just being super easy to park in tight city spots, these cars have their perks. So, what do you think about our list of unexpectedly slow cars? Could you see yourself enjoying a more laid-back pace? Or do you still crave speed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear whether any of these slow-moving gems could make it into your garage. And if you found our little detour into the world of slower cars fun and enlightening, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging car content where we explore all the different flavors the automotive world has to offer. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, it's not always about the destination, but the journey. So keep cruising at your own perfect pace.